Up here on the wall we have all the events that Scape has to offer. You'll see them around the building everywhere. There's a QR code, you just scan it and you book into whichever event that you like. They're a really good way to meet people and just to get out of the building. They include all Scape properties, so there's lots of people always involved. We've got vending machines, so if you're ever hungry, midnight snack, they're always open. This is just common area. More than welcome to come down and study with your friends. We've also got all the letterboxes here for you guys. Any mail, post from home, bank cards, whatever gets delivered to them for you. And then this way, this is a very popular space. We've got a pool table and also TV area. And you can borrow the pool sticks from reception. You can come down and play with your friends. This is a really cool area as well. So it's popular on rainy days especially. You can connect your laptop to the screen. You can watch Netflix, any sports games as well. The games room. This one we've got the latest PlayStation 5, we've got PS4 and Xbox as well. This one, you just rent the remotes and we've got a bunch of games options as well for you guys to use. Free weights, we've got the cable machines, we've got a bunch of cardio as well, and all around the edges are like upper body and leg machines.